This is officially the start here?
Yeah. All right. Welcome to Timber Trail, West Highlands. Did I get him?
Almost.
Tree. Do you want to stop? I'm pretty sure this is part of the Timber Trail.
Wouldn't be the first time we went off, did our own thing.
So this is, I believe it will be a snowmobile trail. Okay? Mike's coming. That was fun. It's always fun when it's successful. Oh, shit!
Oh, Murray's down. All I saw was you going over and your back wheel was in the air.
My brake pedals. Alright, let's go get some beer.
Oh. Whenever you guys are ready.
Let's see you go, Ernie. Come on, big boy. What was that?
Gloves.
Oh yeah, thanks. I'll need those. This Rever thing is not working right.
No? Well, I mean, we're not on the course, right?
Oh yeah, but even still, when we came out of the cottage,
Yeah.
it wanted us to turn right instead of going left, like on the little gravel road.
Yeah.
Ever since then, it's been fucked up.
Oh, so it doesn't reroute itself very well?
No.
Where the hell are we?
Right here.
Yeah. Pretty close to the McLean Berry.
Okay. There's an old church, 1867. When were you born, Murray?
Eh?
Same year as the Confederation.
A little bit of history, rock and roll.
Where we want to turn.
Turn left here?
Or maybe not. It rerouted.
Bravo.
Pretty good grip on this surface.
Oh yeah. No dust either.
This is awesome.
It is awesome.
Car. Whoa.
Ow. I just got bit or something.
Oh?
Jesus Christ. Or stung.
Where?
Inside of my leg, like between my leg and the seat.
Oh. Want to stop?
No, I'm okay. But I think that's what happened. I think a bug was down between my leg and the seat.
At this point of our ride for day 2, our GPS unknowingly rerouted us. We ended up missing several fire roads that were part of the loop. This meant we ended up getting to our lunch stop faster than anticipated and would not realize that we missed part of the loop until later in the day.
So I think what I had marked as a lunch stop is going to become a coffee stop. It's telling me we're going to be there in 25 minutes.
Perfect. I'm ready for coffee.
I think Ernie is. I haven't heard a peep out of him in a while, so I think he fell asleep back there.
Well, after this stop, there will be more gravel.
Okay.
I hope, anyway.
The coffee at the Esso?
Probably.
You want to check?
Yeah.
Okay. feel like I'm disappointing you guys with all this asphalt, but
Well, I think we kind of knew it was going to be like this.
yeah,
This side of the timber trail is mostly asphalt.
yeah.
Yep.
I mean, it is pretty. It's scenic for sure.
There we go. Look at this. What's this all about?
Yeah.
Big
Look at the
burn.
dust stuck to the leaves on the brushery beside us.
Yeah. I don't feel guilty anymore.
You've redeemed yourself.
You said you redeemed yourself, Jeff. I had Dumb and Dumber.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking that.
You go and do something like this and totally redeem yourself.
Oh, look.
Very, very pretty, picturesque.
Minden.
Wow.
We've already been to Minden.
We have. We went right through it. Well, if you want to do it again.
I think we kind of aimed that way, but we cut across to Haliburton. We should come snowmobiling up here.
Yeah.
We've talked about it. Never done it.
Does it get reliable snow?
Yeah, they get good snow up here.
Yeah. This would have been one hell of a rock cut to blast away.
Oh,
Nope.
could you imagine?
Holy. Ernie and Jeff, you want to try and grab that one?
Yep.
No.
Okay.
For which one?
I got it.
Jeff's got it.
Who's turning back with Jeff?
We could all fit in here.
Can we?
Really?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
We park it just right.
All right.
Let's pull the Huey right now.
Right here, yeah.
Probably get a ticket for having 4 places.
Should be free on Sunday anyway.
Should be. Optimal word.
Like too close to you, Duncan?
I'll be fine. I can get off on the other side or something. Car.
ATV.
ATV.
You making it right here?
Yep.
Nice. Tank top, no helmet. Nice.
Yep. Okay.
Gravel.
All right. Whew. We can work with this.
Oh. Mud trail.
It's there. Just about got you, Jeff.
Yeah.
A little bit of a pothole or something.
Wash out.
Watch out.
Gutters.
Whole mix.
Streetcar crossing.
Well, I've been trying to read these signs because the last one I'm pretty sure said no turning around. Oh,
what
there's
one?
the streetcar.
Alright.
This one. Just stick on the ice.
Stick on the ice.
Hi. It's interesting.
It's gotta be something to do with the scouts.
Yeah, maybe.
Cardiff.
Cardiff!
Country store.
Is this where we're going?
Yep. Apparently we can take that road too.
Well, that's it for day 2. Not as much gravel as we hoped for today. We made one more stop for gas and beer in Cardiff before heading back to the cottage. And wouldn't you know it, after we shut the cameras off, Duncan had our first mechanical issue of the trip. His kickstand bolt broke clean off, dropping his kickstand on the road and causing the bike to quit, with the kickstand safety switch doing its job. We managed to get something rigged up with zip ties and electrical tape so we could drive it back to the cottage. This would give us time to contemplate our ride priorities for our final day tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for day 3.